Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am here with my Kit and Kaboodle special edition. This is not the normal Wednesday that I post on. I post on first and third Wednesdays for my series. But what I did was went back with the pink and main kit that I had, the first kit that came out, and what I was trying to do was kill it. There is still a little life left, so we'll see what I do with that. But I just wanted to share with you, first of all, what is left in the kit. And this is the It's a Party kit. So this is the paper that I have left. Not a whole lot, which is wonderful. So we'll see what I do with that. And of course the flare buttons, the ink, and the glitter. So you get a lot in these kits. Here is the welcome gift that came in the first kit, and even if you are just trying to join now, you still get the welcome gift is my understanding. So check it out. But this is the stamp set and the coordinating dies. A few sequins, glossy dots, and the stamp set, which I'm happy to have this, and the die set that came with the kit. All right, and of course the bag to store everything in. So I'll be pulling things out and putting them where the light things are, so I can put all of those cards in this bag that I made from the kit. Okay, so I wanted to share with you what I created with the scraps and things that I had left. Okay, now I'm going to share with you some additional things that I used to create what I did. And I am dropping everything. Okay. All right, now I think I'm situated. Trying to do everything with one hand. I don't know how y'all do it. Okay, I used a paper tray ink die. This is from way back when, and they probably still carry it. I don't know. I used one of the bows from this set from Hobby Lobby. This is the My Creative Time Pretty Treat Topper. This is the Lori Whitlock Treat Bag Topper. The Sizzix Rosette dies. These are the thinlits. It's called Rosette Set. That's the number, I'm sorry. And I did not show the number on this one. That's kind of hard to see. There, that's better. 660291. Awesome die to have in your stash. I used the Stephanie Bernard Stamps of Life pocket die. And that's part of it on the back side. So that's a lot of die for the money. Elizabeth Crafts 4 Bows die. I used my envelope punch board. This is a Momenta die. These are, let's see, this is, I need to move this so you can see the number on that one. This is called Gift Tags 662423. And this is a Sizzix die. This was a Jelly Bean die, and this is called Pocket with Scallop Edge. Okay, so First thing here are some tags using that little gift tag set. The title of this kit was It's a Party. So whenever there's a party, there are gifts, and you have to have a gift tag to identify yourself and the recipient, even though at the party you would know who the recipient is. All right, and this is, or these are rather, the bows. I just love this kit. The colors are just amazing. They are so vibrant, so vibrant. Oop, I left out a couple of tags. We don't want to leave anybody behind. Okay, and here is the bag. Love, love, love it. And this is almost certain. I want to say it's, I don't remember, so I'm not going to say that. This is one cut. This is not where you have to cut two pieces and glue it together. Yeah, this is one cut. Oops, sorry, I moved the camera. Sorry. But I did that bag. Love this double-sided paper. And I made a rosette. That's the paper tray ink dye underneath. Really pretty. Here is the My Creative Time die. And I couldn't show you this, but I had a bow left. So I added it to this bag topper. All right. This is the Stephanie Bernard gift tag set. I used glitter paper to cut out the birthday, the happy birthday, and that was in the set. And here's where you would add your gift card. And I added paper on the back. And this piece is in the set as well to write the message. And this is the pocket. Real cute. And of course this ribbon was from my stash. All right, and then I did some bag toppers. Love, love, love it. So springy. Even though in Georgia it feels like summer, and summer is not officially here. But that's the first bag topper. And then I did a second one. I added the rosette and a balloon bouquet. Okay. That's the back. Well, that's the inside. This was the other side of that paper. And I used a tutorial. Several people have this tutorial out. It was from a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And you use 6x6 paper, just a 6x6 piece of paper. Poodle's Paper Craft did it also, but she cut off 1/8 of an inch. I wanted to just try it with the entire 6x6 sheet of paper. And this is how that turned out. Love, love, love it. I added the glossy dots on the side. Super cute. It's like a bag in a box. It gives that illusion of a bag in a box, but it's really not. But it just takes that one piece of paper, and this is where I use the envelope punch board to create it. And I also did a box that was using the Momenta die. This is one of the tags that I cut. That was the twine that I have left, so all the twine is gone. And that's the box. All right. Thank you all for stopping by and watching. I really appreciate it. Please remember that I do post on first and third Wednesdays, trying to get some projects created with these kits that I have never created anything with. And this turned out so cute. So you see how much you get in kits basically. You have so much left over that you can do other things as well. All right. Happy crafting, everyone.